lowercase cursive n, as in nickel or Nancy. Going to begin with a slight tail to help you lead into your overcurve. Then you have a slant, retrace into another overcurve, slant, and then a slight undercurve. Notice it looks like two humps back to back. So again, lead into your N, overcurve, slant, retrace up into your overcurve, slant, then an undercurve. Don't have floating letters. When you have your initial tail, your initial lead-in, it needs to come down to your baseline. When you come down after your first overcurve, it needs to touch your baseline. And your last undercurve, it needs to touch your baseline. Back to back N letters. Here's one. That undercurve leads right into your next one. Do it again. Right into your next N. You can practice the word 10 since you've learned these letters. T, E, N. Come back, cross your T. Lent, L, E, N, T. Keep in mind you need to have that imaginary line cutting across each of your lines in your paper so that your lowercase letters don't cross that point. Otherwise, they become too large. You can also practice the word tent. T, E, N, T. Come back, lift up your pencil, cross your T's. You can practice net. This is when your word begins with the letter N. So we have our initial lead-in, N over curve, up, over curve, under curve, E, T. I started to separate there, so I'm going to practice it one more time. N, E, T, retrace, come down, cross.